Papa said I am.
Where is number 6? Yellow color. Count the dots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good. Where is number 7? Purple. Count the dots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good. Number 8. Count dots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good. Where is number 9? No. What comes after 8? 9. Count 9. Which color?
Orange.
Very good. Now count the dots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good. What comes after 9?
And 10.
Very good. Count the dots.
Okay. Back 1.
Count. Do back counting.
1,
10,
2, 3, 10,
9,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2,
3, 3, 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Good.